Best essential oils for hair growth. How to use essential oils to grow hair quickly. Healthy hair reflects your health and improves your self-confidence. Hair plays an important role in making you attractive. Are you looking to have long and beautiful hair? Today, we would like to introduce to you some effective ways and home remedies on how to grow hair faster and quicker, naturally using essential oils. Over the years, the use of essential oil for hair care and its popularity has increased greatly. Hair experts are advising people to use essential oil for hair care. These oils extracted from plants increase cellular metabolism, which leads to an increase in hair follicles. Jojoba, lavender, geranium, cedarwood, thyme, tea tree oil are some essential oils that make your hair long, strong, and dense. Before we start, remember that essential oils should be used in the diluted form. Dilution can be carried out with the help of a suitable carrier oil to reduce the concentration of the most important essential oils. Opt for a carrier oil depending on the quality of your hair. If you have oily hair, consider lighter carrier oils such as apricot kernel oil, almond oil, or grape kernel oil. 1. Lavender essential oil with coconut milk. Mix 5 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Massage your hair with this mixture, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it. It is certain that your hair will not break and grow long. 2. Jojoba essential oil with olive oil. Mix 4 drops of jojoba essential oil with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Massage your hair with this mixture, and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it. When it comes to preventing hair loss and increasing hair growth, nothing can be as effective as olive oil. 3. Geranium essential oil with aloe vera gel. Mix 4 drops of geranium essential oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply it to your hair and scalp and massage it gently. Leave it on for 15 minutes, before washing it with lukewarm water. It has a magical effect, as it regulates the blood flow. 4. Rosemary essential oil with gooseberry juice. Mix 5 drops of rosemary essential oil with 2 tablespoons of gooseberry juice. Apply to the scalp and hair, and leave for 30 minutes before washing it off. For many years, gooseberry has been used to grow long hair, and contains antioxidants which gives you long and strong hair. 5. Cedarwood essential oil with castor oil. Mix 3 drops of cedarwood essential oil in 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, and make sure you have enough to cover all your hair and scalp. Leave for 1 hour before washing your hair. Castor oil is extremely beneficial for hair growth, and it rejuvenates your hair. By mixing it with essential oil, its effect is further enhanced. 6. Thyme essential oil with rosewater and fenugreek. Mix 1 tablespoon for rosewater, and 4 drops of thyme essential oil in 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. Apply this mixture to your hair, and leave it for 45 minutes, thereafter wash it with lukewarm water. The effectiveness of fenugreek is increased when mixed with essential oil. It can be helpful in enhancing hair growth. 7. Jojoba essential oil with coconut oil. Mix 2 to 3 drops of jojoba essential oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage your hair and scalp with this mixture, and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it. The goodness of essential oil, and the antioxidants of coconut oil, can prove to be extremely effective for your hair growth. It helps in protecting your hair to get weaker, and enhances growth. So what are you waiting for? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.